Hi guys, for phase 3, we build a unified GUI dashboard that brings all three interpreters, logo, L system, and Caro into one graphical interface. Let me walk you through it. We can start a dashboard by running Python run GUI, right? And here, as you can see, the window has three tabs at the top, one for each language, and along with the status bar at the bottom. Let's start with the logo. I click browse and select we see square. Then hit run. On right, we see the turtle graphics visualization, a square drawn by the turtle. The execution log on the left shows the command count of the position and pen state. Now let's switch to our system. I'll select the snowflake program here. Notice the parameter controls here. I can adjust the expansion level, turn angle, and step length using this slider. Let me set a level 4 and run it. Here you can see the fractal pattern renders on the right. If I change a level to maybe 2, now you can see a simplified version of the same curve. This makes it very easy to explore how our systems grow. Find the Coral tab. This one has a unique feature, smart world matching. When I browse and select maybe collect towers, I can clear at first. And when I search for it, look at the world configuration panel, it automatically detects the best world setup for this program. A 5x5 grid with the robot at position 4, 0, and a beeper towards column 1 and 3. When I hit run, we can see the grid visualization with the robot show as the blue circle, beavers in yellow. The log shows the robot collect all 5 beavers. So to summarize, the GUI provides a single entry point for all 3 languages with embedded visualization, interactive control for our system, and automatic world configuration for Coral. That's the dashboard. Thank you.
Also for this phase three, firstly, I did a refinement on the Carol program to add this define command right here. So the syntax is define blah blah as blah blah end. So if I want to make a turn right command, but I only got turn left, I can say define turn left, turn left, turn left as turn right end. So 3 turn left added up to be a turn right, and the following program file can use this custom defined command later. And also, what I did a is a code refactoring for some of the commonly used utility functions, such as reading the files, um, parsing numbers, and also validating the token input, because my teammates and I were developing 2 applications separately, and we use a lot of, common functions that can be, unified and make them more and make them more modular. And also those utility functions are well tested to make the whole code base more understandable, reliable, and more simple. And one last thing is that I made the CLI output of the 3 programs more consistent. As you can see right here, always the first section will be the log output, and then it will be the execution result and the details following that, and also some of the other stuff at the end. And that'll be all. Thank you for watching.